Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin is breaking out right now out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. You remember we have covered that pattern a few days ago here on our channel in that video. And today we will talk about the massive resistance which is in front of us and whether we will actually break it and form a new local high for the first time in the 6-month history of that severe downtrend, or will the bears actually win and we will get rejected once again. Guys, we will talk about all of that, so make sure you take a seat, make sure you smash up the like button right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris. And as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. And we are here on the 4 hour. You remember we have covered this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and still some people are arguing about it, whether it is one or not. Right now, only right now so far, it looks like it is one. And we can see that first of all here with the neckline, as the Bitcoin price was approaching it and actually fighting against it, rejected a couple of times here on the 4 hour, and then we were finally breaking through. But as we already said, there are some limitations. First and foremost, we need some more volume, because right now, if we are zooming out and let's go back into the daily right here, we can see that we have still declining volume here on the daily. However, still, we can put in this decisive volume to say this is a very important breakout. If you look back in the history here of the Bitcoin price, let's only go back here on the June 2019. You see that always when Bitcoin reached these extreme low levels of volume, we actually were due for a massive move. In this case here to the downside. But guys, I mean, this works in both directions, because in this case here, we had a very, very massive move right here to the upside for good. And especially Bitcoin, because yes, a lot of immature investors just lose faith. They don't trade anymore. It's getting boring. And that's the exact moment we are putting in these massive volume candles. However, it's not only the volume here, it's also the volume per volume range. We really have to pay close attention right here. And if we are zooming out a little bit, we can see that there is the point of control. The red line is the point of control. The biggest cluster here of resistance is the point of control. And this is the exact area where we actually found support right here in September and October. Also back there in May, before we actually ran up to 14,000. This was a very, very important point of control, which still holds significant up until now. But before Bitcoin is on the daily, and these are the daily candles, not going above and closing above, we cannot say with a certainty that Bitcoin actually has for the first time put in a new higher high. So right now we are here back on the 4 hour. And what happens when Bitcoin actually gets rejected in that zone and gets pushed back by the bears? Then we are looking out for a bounce here on the neckline to actually confirm that breakout. However, guys, it is actually possible that this already was the bounce and the support. And you know we are Moonboys at MMCrypto, and actually we took this one here as the confirmation of the breakout out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern and put in a very, very small long position. However, if Bitcoin were to get rejected and goes back right here and finds actually support, then this is for us furthermore a confirmation that this is a confirmed breakout. If Bitcoin were to go down and not hold this actual support right here, the neckline, then we are looking out for lower prices for Bitcoin. But right now, things are not looking all too bad. And if Bitcoin were actually to put in much more volume, we really need that volume, and it is already coming in. We will show you that in a second. Then the likelihood of us actually going through this within the next few days is increasing second by second. And to show you why, but guys, before we do so, we want to urge you to go here and click the subscribe button and also click the bell notification. The YouTube algorithm is changing. If you are not clicking the bell button and the YouTube notification and press on all, then you are likely missing out on future content. And this is time sensitive, as you can see right now. So if we are going here on the trading volume, you can see that on the real exchanges, and this one is only taking into account the regulated exchanges, the volume is at least finally going up again. We can remember days where this was at 250, 300 million US dollars. Now it's 700, and it's actually counting. It's getting higher and higher. And we are actually looking out for a volume which is significantly spiking up and which puts in not only here on Bitstamp a very significant sign that the bulls are now in charge. And also, guys, do you think that this severe 6-7 month downtrend is finally over? There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Click this poll and let us know if you think that this is over right now, and we are actually looking out for future positive prices and a new bull run. Let us know in the comment section down below. Make sure you smash up the like button if you enjoy these time-sensitive, very short and quick updates, and we will see each other today in the next video with DaVinci J15 on our MMCrypto channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.